Hi, I'm Kinley.
I'm Giovanni, and our topic is going to be Egyptian hieroglyphs and Roman numerals. Unfortunately, it's
Group
just two of
6,
us.
systematic 6 right here.
And we don't have 6 of us. It's unfortunate, but we're just going to make do with what we got, and let's get going.
All right, let's get going.
So, it's a long transition, but first of our, the first thing we're going to be starting off with is our definitions for our topic. It's really important to get like a base head start and get like a kind of mental understanding before you go into dealing with hieroglyphs and numerals. Basically, they're all numeration systems, and a numeration system is like just a set of numerals. It's a method of arranging the system. So basically, think of like Hindu Arabic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's stuff we use every day. Use it every day. You just probably don't realize it's a part of a numeration system. The name is Hindu Arabic, if you didn't know. A numeral, it's just a symbol used to represent a certain number. You use it again every day. 8 is a numeral. 16 is a numeral. 4 dashes is a numeral. A lotus flower is a numeral. They all represent different things. There's a number attached or a value attached to that certain symbol or number, as you would know today. And basically, an additive numeration system, really important for what we're dealing with today, especially Egyptian hieroglyphics.
Yes.
It's just a system revolving around the addition of individual symbols. So think of it like Egyptian hieroglyphs, right? You have like a lotus flower, 6 heel bones, and 3 dashes. That'd just be 1,603. You're adding it all together. You don't have to worry about subtraction. Order doesn't matter. Additive numeration system, pretty simple.
So now we're going to just get more into Egyptian hieroglyphics. So remember, it's an additive numeration system, so the order of symbols does not matter. So how you would evaluate and convert a Hindu Arabic numeral into Egyptian hieroglyphics would be by using the table that we've put below on our slides. So you can input a value for each Hindu Arabic. So 4 fish, 3 lotus flowers, 4 heel bones, and 2 strokes would be 400,003 and 42. And now on here we also have how you would add hieroglyphics. So you would just put the hieroglyphics side by side in the photo, and you would combine them together in order to make sure that they work. So example, 1,233 plus 5, 455 would have a lotus flower, heel bones, all of that stuff, and on our slides you will see that it will equal up to 1,688. And for subtraction, you will do the same thing. 1 heel bone cannot be removed from 9. Next, you can convert 1 scroll into 10 heel bone, leaving you with 11 minus 9, meaning there are 2 left over.
So our next topic of importance is going to be on Roman numerals, and basically what you need to know about coming into this is there's a lot of properties that you have to deal with, especially the addition property. It's very important, a lot of steps. If the numerals are listed, so the number to the right, like the largest value to the right of the Roman numeral is found, then that would be the subtraction property. But right now, the addition property, the only thing you really have to know is each of the numerals, such as I, X, C, and M, they cannot be repeated more than 3 times. You'll see later why, I'll explain. And the numbers V, L, and D cannot be repeated at all. There's no stacking with them. You can't do D, D, V, V, L, L. That's just not in Roman numerals. They don't allow that. Just choose a different numeral. For example, let's go over the subtraction properties as well. The only numerals whose values can be subtracted at all are numerals to the right of I, X, and C. You can't use V, L, D, or M to subtract at all. It's just I, X, and C, like VI, stuff like that. No, you can't do that. Converting Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic is kind of it's the most important thing, and I'll take you through it with a simple example right here. I just did CLX, whose value is 160. You just break it down into each individual one. C equals 100, L is 50, and X is 10. So you have 100 plus 50 plus 10. It's 160. Pretty simple. And subtracting Roman numerals is also pretty simple as well. Just remember that V, L, and D can't be repeated, and the only numerals you can subtract from are I, X, and C. So when you have C, D, L, you can subtract from C. D is 500, C is 100, that's 100, minus 500, 500 minus 100, it's 400, you have L left over, plus the 50, which is L, that equals 450. Pretty simple, just remember, always look to the right. If the value of the numeral to the right is larger than the one on the left, that means you will subtract, you have to subtract. And now, kind of touching base on what was repeated up before is with the bar. it's basically, if you see a bar over numeral, it just basically means it uses a note like 1,000 times the value of the numeral that the bar is under. Very simple. You'll only see that with like MMMM. It would just be IV bar. It'd be 4,000. You can't repeat the M more than 3 times.
Some references that we used are Mathematical Excursions, 4th edition, section 6.1, and activity 13.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.